Welcome to another fun day of math with Sunshine and Mrs. Sylvie. Today we're going to be looking at graphs. All you need is a whiteboard and a marker. Please grab those and press play when you're ready to begin. Look at the data in this graph. The title of the graph is Tie Your Shoes. We're going to look at how some children keep their shoes on. We notice that there are 5 blocks right here that show that children used Velcro. So we have 5 at the end of this row to remember how many there were. Please press pause and count how many use laces and how many have no ties at all. Write these 3 numbers on your whiteboards and press play when you're ready to check. Welcome back. I hope you found that there were 8 people that chose laces and 7 people that have no ties at all. Now we're going to answer some questions about this graph. How many more people have laces than no ties at all? To find out how many more, we can do it 2 ways. We can either look at the number of blocks here and the number of blocks with no ties, and we can see that the blocks with laces has 1 more. So we know our answer is going to be 1. There's 1 more child that has laces than has no ties. But what number sentence goes with that? Well, we're going to subtract the number of children that picked laces and the number of children that had no ties. So 8 minus 7, and that equals 1. We already knew the answer was 1. This time we subtracted 7, that's no ties at all, from 8, the number of laces, and that's how we got 1. Let's keep going. How many people had Velcro or laces? In this case, we're going to add the number of people that had Velcro with the number of people that had laces. Please do that and write a number sentence on your whiteboard. Press play when you're ready to check. Welcome back. Let's add those 2 together. The number of people with Velcro and laces would be 5 for Velcro, 7 for laces, and 5 plus 7 is ready, set, go. 12. You're right. That means that 12 people had Velcro or laces. How many people voted in all? That's how many people voted for Velcro, laces, or no ties. Please write the number sentence that goes with this and press play when you're ready to check. Welcome back. I hope you wrote 5 plus 8 plus 7, and altogether that made 20. So that means that 20 people voted in all. All right, we're going to move to another graph. Erase your whiteboards. This time, it's fun in the snow. We have some people that made a snowman, some made a snow fort, and some went sledding. Please count the number of blocks for each one and write those on your whiteboards. Press play when you're ready to check. Welcome back. Let's take a look. We had 5 people that made a snowman, 3 people that made a snow fort, and 7 people that went sledding. Now, how many people like making a snowman or sledding? We're looking at the first question right here at the bottom. How many people like making a snowman or going sledding? So we're going to find the sum of these 2, snowman and sledding. Please write the number sentence on your whiteboards. Press play when you're ready to check. Alrighty, I hope you wrote 5, that's the number of people for snowman, plus 7, that's the number of people for sledding. And tell me how many altogether. Ready, set, go. 12, that's right. Let's keep going. How many more like sledding than making a snowman? How many more like sledding than making a snowman? So we're going to look at this row. How many people like sledding? And compare it with this row. How many people made a snowman? Please write a subtraction number sentence and press play when you're ready to check. Welcome back. I hope you wrote 7, that's the number of sledding, minus 5, that's the number of people that picked making a snowman. And the difference between them is 2. And we can actually see that there are 2 more in this bar than on this top bar. One more question for you. How many people voted all together? Let's remember that we had 5 making a snowman, 3 making a snow fort, and 7 sledding. Please press pause to answer that question and write a number sentence. And press play when you're ready to continue. Welcome back. Let's see what you did. I added 5, that's the number of people that made a snowman, plus 3, the number of people that made a snow fort, plus 7, that's the number of people that went sledding. And altogether, there were 15 people that voted in all. Good thinking today, girls and boys. As you work through the problem set with your teacher, I want you to think about some things you learned while reading the graph. Have a magnificent day.